I'm Kevin Scott, Operations Manager at the Stone Store. The Stone Store is your one-stop solution for outdoor living. When you come to the Stone Store, you have a dedicated sales rep that is genuinely interested in your project. Stone Store caters to customers of all kinds, from residential to commercial. We cater to both DIY all the way up to your large-scale commercial landscape contractor. We have the largest and most unique selection around. We have the largest variety of both natural stone products such as wallstone and flagstone, as well as hardscaping products such as pavers and retaining walls. We have some of the largest display areas in the market as well. It's very fun, it's definitely a memorable experience. It's valuable in that we bring solutions to the table. The customers say that they love it, and they say things such as, you have a customer for life. I would say what makes the Stone Store different is our people. Our people love what they do, they love engaging with the customers and treating the projects as if it's their own. We deliver anywhere that the project requires. One thing we like to pride ourselves on is that our service is the difference.